Welcome. In front of me is a TCL Plex, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. Before we get started, you will need to grab a SIM eject tool similar to this one, which will come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paperclip, extend on one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which, let's first take off the case. Come on. There we go. And the tray is located on the top left side of the phone. Right over here, you can just kind of faintly see the insert area. There we go. So from here, you want to push it in, and the tray will pop out, enough for you to be able to pull it out. On the tray, you will have space for the support. Yep, it supports the dual SIM. So you would place one of the SIM cards sideways, like I have done so right now. Or if you're planning to use, for instance, two SIM cards. Oops, not that way. Oh, there we go. I'm gonna place one of them right here, and then the SD card would go here. So for dual SIM, one SIM card goes sideways on the SD tray. For single SIM and SD card, SIM and SD card, you just place one on its dedicated tray. Now make sure that the cards are laying flush on the tray, and then carefully insert it back in the device. Carefully, as there's nothing holding them in place. So right now you can kind of see that the SD or SIM card is trying to pop out. There we go. So there we go. Needed to make sure that it's in place. It's popping out automatically with the SIM card pin, so I'm going to confirm my SIM card pin, and this will unlock it. And SD card should be working as well, which, let's see if we have any kind of notification, and we do, right at the bottom. So there we go. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.